Welcome back to the course Learn Blockchain. Today we will be deep diving into the world of mining pool. So what are you waiting for? Let's get into it. So here we have a network of miners. You know how they work, yeah? They compete with one another to solve the cryptographic puzzle, and it's more or less a fair competition. However, from previous videos, we know that there are large miners, huge industrial size mines that also participate in this network and compete. So let's add two large miners over here. So in this case, how is it fair? You are mining with a tiny computer, whereas there are large miners with tons of mining rig. It is totally unfair. There is no way you will find the valid nonce before this large industrial site mine. So what's the point for you to compete if you are never going to win? So this is where the concept of mining pool is invented. Now miners don't just actually mine for themselves, they enter mining pools like here and here. Now these miners combine their hashing power into this mining pool, and so now they have more power as a combine. Now what mining pool provides is, it provides service where it distributes work among the miners in the pool in such a way that they are not doing double work. This is very important concept to remember, because if all miners in the mining pools are working on the same job, then what's the point of mining pool? It's the same where they are mining alone. So mining pool distribute work among the miners so they don't do any double work. For example, if they are finding the valid nonce, then mining pool will assign this miner to find from 0 to 1 billion nonce, then to this miner from 1 to 2 billion, then this miner from 3 to 4 billions, like that. In this way they will have greater chance of finding the nonce quicker. Now when a valid nonce is found by any miner of the mining pool, the mining pool as a whole wins. The mining reward and transaction fee are distributed among the miners of the mining pool proportionally. Like in a company, if you have higher shares, then you will receive higher dividend. Likewise here in the mining pool, the reward is divided like that in terms of the computing power contributed by miner to the mining pool. So this is what mining pool is all about. Mining pools are usually websites or organizations. They all have websites where you can go and download their software and install. And also mining pool do not discriminate anybody. Anyone can join the mining pool, even the large industrial size mine. So now you can say it's fair. You can choose the mining pool wherever suits you. Again, mining pools also provide another service, that is, it completely removes headache from the individual miner. For that, if you see here, Ethereum mining rigs from Amazon, what miners do is, they purchase one of these mining rigs, install at their place, then they choose the mining pool, go to their website, download and install their software. So by installing the software, what they do is, they are pointing their GPU, the hash power of their rigs, to the mining pool they choose. And that's it. You don't have to know anything. You don't have to know how Bitcoin or Ethereum work. You don't have to know what blockchain is. You don't have to know what nonce is. Nothing. I bet lots of people who are mining don't know about it. They don't know that they are competing to solve the cryptographic puzzle. So this way, it takes all the headache from the miner. Now let's look at some of the example. We are back to this website. I told you this is a cool website, lots of things to explore, and today we are exploring hash rate distribution. So here you can see a pie chart, an estimation of hash rate distribution among the largest mining pool, and this is the estimation of last 4 days. So here lots of portion is covered by unknown. Then we have F2P pool, end pool, 5 BTC, slush pool, pool in, and finally SPI crypto. So if you move downward, you can know more about the graph, the summary of mine block. From unknown, 261 blocked are mined. From F2P pool, 108 block mine. Likewise end pool got 103 block mine, 5 BTC 46, slush pool 26, pool in 23, and finally SBI crypto 10 block. You can also read more about this chart here. Now if we go here, we can see latest Bitcoin block, and if we choose a random block, and let's see who mined that block. So this block was mined by F2 pool, and okay, it's one of the mining pool we discussed. You can also see other details about this block we discussed in the previous video. So this block was mined by F2 pool, and here we have the official website for F2 pool. Similarly for the end pool, 5 BTC. So this is all about this video. I hope you have learn something. And on this note, I'll see you in the next video.